While playing around with these beasts, a few interesting questions arose. What makes an extreme Raspberry Pi 5 so much better, and in most cases even a number of times faster than an average Raspberry Pi 5 with no add-ons? Is it possible to run a virtualization software on the Raspberry Pi 5 and run more than one virtual machine at the same time, especially on Raspberry Pi 5 with 8 GB of RAM? If so, is it possible to run any version of Windows for desktops within a virtual machine running on Raspberry Pi 5? It is also interesting to know whether you can run a Raspberry Pi virtual machine on Raspberry Pi itself. On the other hand, is it possible for a classics PC to run a Raspberry Pi virtual machine? There is also another way of virtualization gaining popularity. What about virtualizing just the application and the core of the operating system that supports it? This way you would have been able to install the application image and run it as a container without having to waste a lot of time searching and installing the prerequisites as well as application itself. What if you want to run two applications, each requiring a different operating system? It took me a lot of time to solve all these difficult questions, but it was rewarding in the end.